Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Stockpot. So let's get started. Number 7. Cuisinart 766-26. Look no further if you need a stainless steel stockpot that checks all the boxes. This option from Cuisinart has an aluminum encapsulated base that reduces hot spots and heats liquids quickly. Its cool grip handles are oversized for easy lifting on and off the stove, and it features a tight-fitting lid to seal in moisture. It's also oven-safe, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a great addition to any chef's arsenal. One happy customer wrote, "It is wonderful. No sticking on the bottom, and cleanup was a breeze." This is also a beautiful piece of equipment. Number 6. HOMICHEF 16-quart stainless steel. Highly rated by over 400 Amazon shoppers, this mirror-polished stockpot is a great option for both beginners and seasoned chefs. With cool grips handles, a multi-layered stainless steel design, and a glass lid with a steam vent, it is versatile enough for simmering soups, boiling seafood, and blanching vegetables. And weighing 4.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to lift from stove to oven and sturdy enough to handle years of use. Reviewers love its even heating, size, shape, and durability. One shopper said, "Not only is this pot very well made and without all the harmful ingredients, but they also give you everything you need to properly take care of the pot itself." Number 5. Cook & Home 12-quart stainless steel. New cooks still need reliable equipment to learn on, and this Cook & Home doesn't disappoint. The 12-quart stainless steel stockpot comes with a tempered glass lid, cool grip handles, and a reinforced rim for all of your pouring needs. It's oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetop types, and you can even toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Users love the sturdiness of the pot, with some commenting about the surprising quality at the price point. "This is an amazing product," one user wrote. "It's durable and the handles are great. I use it over and over again." Number 4. T-fal B36262. Many people prefer the convenience of nonstick cookware, and the T-fal nonstick stockpot is our top selection for quick cleanup. This 12-quart stockpot is made from aluminum construction, which is known for its ability to conduct heat. The pot is coated with a non-stick finish that is consistently praised by users for its outstanding resistance to messy, sticky, burned-on messes. Many cooks find that it's easy to rinse or wipe away any residue in the pot. Although it's dishwasher safe, many people say they skip the dishwasher since it's so easy to clean. This 12-quart stockpot is not as well suited to high-temperature cooking. It should really only be used on medium or lower heat settings due to the non-stick finish. Number 3. Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Nonstick. An alternative to non-stick cookware, hard anodized cookware is another easy keeper that is found in many kitchens. This Cuisinart hard anodized 12-quart stockpot is a popular choice for this category. This stockpot is made from aluminum that has been specially treated and heated to produce an anodized finish that is non-stick, without using a separate chemical coating on the pot. The result is a pot that will cook contents evenly while resisting burning or sticking. Hard anodized cookware is also supposed to be significantly more scratch-resistant than typical non-stick finishes. It also can withstand higher levels of heat and is oven-safe up to 450 degrees. Number 2. EXCELSTEEL Multi-Cookware. If you want a stockpot that can take on a variety of tasks, the EXCELSTEEL 12-quart stainless steel 4-piece multi-cookware set is the way to go. This 12-quart stockpot is made from 18/10 stainless steel and has an aluminum core in the bottom encased in stainless steel. This assists in heat distribution and even cooking. The set includes the stockpot plus a steamer basket, pasta basket, and lid. Users love the capacity and convenience that this set offers. The smaller colander is about 3.5 inches deep and is great for steaming veggies. The larger colander is about 9 inches deep and is perfect for boiling pasta or potatoes, then lifting them out to drain without having to juggle the entire pot of hot water. Users have also found this pot to be great for canning. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Classic. For a stockpot with a pop of color, choose an enamel-coated version like the Cuisinart Enamel on Steel stockpot. This brightly colored 12-quart stockpot looks great in the kitchen and also performs well on the stovetop. The pot is constructed of stainless steel and coated with enamel to provide a stain and odor-resistant finish. Users are a little conflicted about the durability of this pot, with a few people mentioning issues with enamel chipping or rust spots appearing. One suggestion that may be beneficial is to avoid putting this pot in the dishwasher, even though it is described as dishwasher safe.